information.
Hi, I'm Diane, and I wanted to do a quick review of the Snow Joe cordless snow shovel. And overall, it's done a great job for us. It's light enough weight that I can handle it easily without any issues. As you can tell, we're up here in the mountains. We're not up here full time, so we use it to give us a path, and it's handled it great. We did have to put it together, and some of the reviews that I read mentioned that the wiring wasn't long enough when they put it together, so to be careful of that. So I took that into account when we put it together, and we didn't have any issues with it. I did buy a second battery to go with it because it lasts about 20-25 minutes, and I say that's probably right. It's about what it's lasting. So I got a second one. I would suggest it so you're not caught in the middle of shoveling and not being able to finish the job. Probably my only complaint about it is their customer service is slow to get a hold of a person. You can be online on hold for quite a while. But once the person, talked to me and we did the troubleshooting, figured out it was the charger that was not charging the batteries, and they got one out to me at no charge. It's been great ever since. Snow Joe, you did good. Give it 2 thumbs up.